Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about an interesting topic that is colors and its psychology. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Shyam, and I'm working as a campus leader for Code for Cause. First, we look at the agenda for this video. First, we are going to talk about what is a color. Then we will talk about the color wheel and its types. Next, we will talk about color psychology. After that, we will talk about importance of color in marketing. And then finally, we will talk about colors and its meanings. So let's begin with the first topic. So what is a color? It is a phenomenon of light such as red, brown, pink or gray or visual perception that enables one to differentiate otherwise identical objects. Color is everywhere, right? It plays an important role in design and everyday life. It can evoke certain emotion or mood and even communicate something very important without using any words. Colors can be encouraging, boosting your confidence, and showing some signs of happiness also. For instance, take a look at traffic signals. It shows three colors, namely red, yellow, and green. Red means stop, yellow means to be ready, and green means to go forward. Next is about color wheel. A color wheel is an abstract illustrative organization of color hues around a circle which shows the relationship between primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Basics of color wheel. First is primary colors, which is about first three colors, namely red, yellow, and blue. Secondary colors is about mixing two colors. That is, if we mix red and yellow, we get orange. When we mix red and blue, we get purple. Likewise, if we mix blue and yellow, we get green. Tertiary colors is divided furthermore to get light and dark colors. If we mix red and light orange, we get dark orange. When we talk about colors, the terms such as hue, saturation, and values are extremely important. Like for mixing colors and choosing the right colors, these three terms play a vital role. Here is the simple definition of these three very important terms. Hue is basically just another word for color. Saturation refers to intensity. In other words, whether the color appears to be more subtle or more vibrant. Value, it actually deals with how dark or light the color is, ranging from black to white. Next is about color harmony. First, we'll talk about monochromatic. That is, we can pick any single color from the color wheel. We can use to experiment with the levels of saturation and value to get variations of a single color. Analogous color, which is about matching colors right to next three colors and create variations. Split complementary colors. This scheme uses colors on either side of complement, gives same level of contrast with colors. Tetradic colors, which forms a rectangle on the wheel using two complementary color pairs. Triadic color scheme uses three colors that are evenly spaced, forming a triangle. Next is about color psychology. It is the study of colors in relation to human behavior. It actually aims to determine how color affects our day-to-day decisions, such as the items we buy in the market. Importance of color in marketing. Color evokes feelings, it incites emotions. Colors can be used by marketers to influence how people think and behave towards a brand and how they interpret any information. The choice of colors can help people decide what is important. Choosing the right colors for your marketing efforts can be the difference between your brand standing out from the crowd or blending into it. Here's the list of top brand companies using the colors accordingly. If you look at HP, Intel, Oral-B, Volkswagen, Ford, Facebook uses blue color. Twitch, Viber, Yahoo uses purple color. YouTube, Virgin, Toyota, CNN, ESPN uses red color. Amazon, Fanta, Harley Davidson uses orange color. Snapchat, McDonald's uses yellow color. Acer, Android, Animal Planet uses green color, and much more. Here is the association of various colors according to industry. If you look at white color, it is associated with sincerity, purity, cleanliness, simplicity, and hygiene. The industry that uses white color is tech industry, medicine. If you look at pink color, it is associated with nurturing and softness. The industry that uses pink color is beauty industry, toys industries. If you look at red color, it is associated with activity, strength, excitement, and stimulation. The industry that uses red color is retail and health industries. If you look at orange color, it is associated with excitement, liveliness, energy, extroversion. The industry that uses orange is mostly fitness, logistics, and tech industries. If you look at yellow, it is associated with optimism, extraversion, friendliness, happiness, and cheerfulness. The industry that uses yellow color is fitness, digital, and budget. If you look at blue color, it is associated with competence, intelligence, communication, trust, efficiency, duty, and logic. The industry that uses blue color is finance, health, tech industry, and insurance. If you look at black color, it is associated with sophistication, glamour, power, stateliness, and dignity. The industry that uses black color is fashion, finance, and automotive. If you look at purple color, it is associated with luxury, authenticity, and quality. The industry that uses purple color is luxury, tech industry, and design industry. If you look at brown color, it is associated with seriousness, nature, and earthiness. The industry that uses is mostly coffee industries and all. If you look at green color, it is very much associated with nature, security, and outdoors. The industry that uses green color is eco-friendly industries, health, and outdoors. Finally, we come to the last topic, that is colors and its meanings. First, we'll talk about red color. Marketing colors like red can capture attention. The red color meaning is associated with excitement, passion, danger, energy, and action. The company that uses red color is YouTube. Next is yellow color. The color meaning for yellow revolves around sunshine. It evokes feelings of happiness, positivity, optimism, and summer. Example for a company that uses yellow color is Snapchat. Next is blue. In color psychology, blue's color meaning ties closely to the sea and the sky. Stability, harmony, peace, calm, and trust are just some of the feelings your customer may feel about your brand when you integrate the color blue into your branding. Example for a company that uses blue color is Twitter. Next is about green color. Green is highly connected to nature and money. Growth, fertility, health, and generosity are some of the positive colors. Meanings for the color. Example for a company that uses green color is Android. Next is black. You might have seen this logo in the movies like Batman vs Superman. Black isn't a primary, secondary, or tertiary color. In fact, black isn't on the color wheel because it isn't considered a color. It's all colors, or rather the absorption of all colors. Black absorbs all light in color spectrum. Example for a company that uses black color is Sony. Next is purple color. Purple is a royal color. Color meaning for purple is connected to power, nobility, luxury, wisdom, and spirituality. Example for a company that uses purple color is Yahoo. Next is orange. Orange actually represents creativity, adventure, enthusiasm, success, and balance. The color orange adds a bit of fun to any picture. Example for a company that uses orange color is JBL, one of the company that uses best loudspeakers and all. So thank you so much everyone for your patience listening, and that's it from my side. Thank you so much.